Christians would say, we're so blessed.
We're so blessed. Hello YouTube land. Thank you for tuning in today to my channel, One Pinoy Chick Chats. And I have here
G'day.
an Aussie farming in the Philippines with me.
G'day.
And we are with some heavenly scent of
Durian. All the windows are down.
mine is not.
Was that a little bit?
Yeah.
Down.
Yeah, because we are taking it to Mama's store. Is it taken or bringing?
Taking.
Taking it to Mama's store.
Bringing it for taking, bringing it home.
Alright. We're taking it to Mama's store. And there's one that, there's one durian here with us right now that's first, how you call? The first piece of from one tree. And this is the yummiest in my farm, in our farm. The yummiest. That's why I'm so
the yummiest.
tastiest. That's why I really have to see Papa to do something about it, because it's heaps there, like heaps from that tree. That's a one-sided tree because, you know, like I'm a
Pyromaniac.
yeah, that's what people call me, a pyromaniac. So it's a one-sided tree. Williams fans.
Perfecto.
Flowers controversy, rainforest, Belmonte, Sunshine, and as is Mochamas of the Pacific, Sierra. Flowers controversy, Green Cross, Belmonte, Sunshine, and as is Mochamas of the Sierra, Green Cross, Samantha.
Oh, Daddy, the cards work.
So we're going home.
We're going home.
No internet. No phone signals. No internet connection. ATMs are offline. Like all banks are offline. It is caused by the weather for sure. From the storm. Rai or Odette. And we went inside the mall, and it's only cash basis, so we cannot feel our pantry today.
Well, we have heaps of beer, we have heaps of cake, and we can always get small change and buy some $10.
And Sam is so excited to see me. It's kind of hot, like really hot right now, guys. It's humid, it's hot. I don't know, like my skin is so sticky. Yeah, that's Sam and Sasha waiting, asking permission. That's how she asked permission. Like she would stand at the door to tell you, like, can I go out? May I go out? Come on, Sash. Sash, come here. I don't know what she means with that. I was like, okay, I'll leave her alone. So we're home without nothing. Like our objective, like why we go to town today is really we wanted to buy something for the kids that's caroling, because last night they started caroling and we can only give them money. Like they're more happier to get goodies, you know, like foodies like before. So previous years they always get some monies and foodies like, you know, munchkins, cupcakes, lollipops, chocolates. It's always been like that for a year. So like they're expecting that this time that we open our gate again for them caroling here inside the farm, they're expecting again to get the same goodies. So last night, so first night, I never thought they would come because it's rainy, but it stopped like around 6 o'clock, so they're in again. And today we haven't got anything for them. Just a little monies, no food. So we went out shopping to buy some goodies for them. However, it wasn't possible because the ATMs are offline and they don't, the mall doesn't accept ATM cards for payment. Come back, little parrot. Little parrot, that's a brother that's out of defense. So I didn't have cash when we went there because I really thought we can withdraw money, because like usually there would be no signal here in the farm, but the city would have. But in the bank where we went, it says that the telecom company is offline. So that means we don't have, like all of us don't have signal, don't have connection, internet or whatever. So it's a typical mountain life, like living off grid at the moment. Yeah, and tonight we will see what we can do with the kids. What we use whatever we have here in the farm for them. So I will share to you the first batch of carolers last night at the end of this video. So thanks again for watching One Pinoy Chick Chats. For those who are not yet subscribed, please subscribe. Thank you. Bye. YouTube land. It's December 16 and caroling starts.
Very good, guys.
Bagong kinabuhi, duyot sa atong mga pagbati, atong awiton ug atong aron magmalipayon.
Kasadyaning taklaan, dapit sa kahimayan,
Maurayan nakita
ang tagalay ng masalagon, bulan ng bulahan, ang tagbalay ng giawitan, awit na halandon, busata ng basong magmalipayon. Thank you, Mr. and Mrs. Thank you. May ang nakita, ang tagalay ng masanahon, bulan ng bulahan,
ang tagbalay nga giawitan, awit na halandon ug sa tanang Pasko magmalipayon. Taknaa
dapit sa kahimayan, mauna akong nakita.
bagong kinabuhi, duyog sa atong mga pagbati. Atong awiton, atong laylayon, aron magmalipayon.
Sa gitnaan, dapit sa kahimayan, ang bagong nakita, ang bagong nakita.
Sanagon, bulahan o bulahan, ang tagmalay nga giawitan. Wit na halandon, og sa tanang Pasko magmalipayon. Woo!
We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Jingle bell, jingle all the way.
Hey.
Always run the rooster running and wonders open sleigh.
Hey.
Hey, jingle bell, jingle all the way.
Hey.
Always find the rooster running and wonders open sleigh. Feliz Navidad, Feliz Navidad, Feliz Navidad, prospero año, felicidad. I wanna
Wish you a Merry Christmas. We wanna wish you a Merry Christmas. We wanna wish you a Merry Christmas.
Down the bottom.